Good morning. Welcome to week 6. Really appreciate everyone understanding me being out of town this past weekend, but I did enjoy reading your work. Hopefully, at this point, you've been able to see the feedback and the grades. We will talk a little bit more about just grading in general during the debrief this weekend on Friday night. So, if you have any specific questions, I would be glad to answer them at that time. Also, just to remind you, we do have class this weekend, Friday night, 6 to 9, Saturday, 9 to 3-ish. We will be in Craig 214 again, and that means that you don't really have anything to do this week on the discussion board except for reading. So when you look at week 6, you will notice that you have chapter 6 in Hall and Hoard. If you could have that read by Friday night, that would be great. It would be helpful for you as you are going through the weekend. Also, you will want to bring your Fullen and Graham and Farrader text with you to class because we will be using them. You will see the class weekend lesson plan is also posted. So I'm going to run through that a little bit more than the discussion board right now, since you don't have to do anything on the discussion board. So Friday night will be focused on leadership, and that will take care of the week 6 implementing change post. So we will have a discussion to exempt that response. And we will also discuss your personal leadership styles that work for you, and leadership styles that you appreciate working for. So just be ready to kind of talk about leadership on Friday night. And then on Saturday, we will turn our focus more to the PLCP. Because the PLCP is more of a focus in week 7 on Blackboard, we are actually going to do an activity to exempt the post from week 7 in Blackboard for the PLCP this weekend. So we will spend Saturday morning a little bit working on that, and then all Saturday afternoon will be your time to peer review the PLCP and to work on your evidences as you see needed. So I will be there all Saturday afternoon to answer questions. I would also like to meet with each one of you individually and review your clinical experience log just to make sure you're on the right path and that you don't have any questions about that. At that time, you can ask any individual questions that you have as well. I think that's it. Be ready for the CDP the following weekend, just as a heads up. And as always, if you have any questions at all, feel free to email me or call me, text me, however you need to, and I will get back to you. All right, well, I hope you have a great week, and I am really looking forward to seeing everyone this weekend.